Well, I was coming out here to put a tune on the truck. Top end sounded a little noisy yesterday. But I brought my HP tuners out and got the laptop, put the battery on it, started it up. Still a little noisy on the top end. Granted, this motor came from a junkyard, but now I know why it was at the junkyard. I'm assuming the oil pump or something in the oiling was wrong with it, because she's about locked up now. It almost won't even turn over. So rather than continuing to try to lock it up, I think I'm just gonna pull it back out. I got another 5.3 from a kid. It took all the cam, everything out of it, so I think I'm gonna put this together and get it in the truck. I'm gonna need a oil pump, that's for sure, because that thing obviously has something wrong with the oil pump on it. I mean, you can hear it just clattering around on that top end. But the tune works. The tune did work, which is a first for me, so that's a win. But looks like I'm pulling the motor back out. I'll get it worked out. I did do 2 sets of injector plugs so I can run the flex fuel that's in there already, or the other style, the non-flex fuel. Extended my wiring harness. It's a stock wiring harness that I modified, just bits and pieces of. I gotta lose some wiring here, but oh, in my little exhaust setup, it looks horrible, but it works. It works good. I almost got the whole YouTube drag racer look going on there. But everything works except for the motor, which sucks. This was a 4.3 truck with a NV 3500. Everything went together fairly alright. 5.3, 4L80E. The only thing I didn't ever really get down exactly right was the motor mounts aren't bolted up. The 4.3 motor mounts don't quite work with the V8. Who knew? Haha. But yeah, that'll just give me a chance to do them motor mounts right. Not that they're not right or wrong, just better. I was kind of hoping to drive this truck at some point in time. I guess that time's going to be a little further away. But fan, everything needs to get wired up still. I got a long way to go. But I think this motor will do good. I got it from the kid who threw the head bolts away because they weren't reusable. And the cam was no good because I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up that well. There is some scarring on there. But throw some bearings in it. Cam bearings. Maybe I'll be able to use the cam out of that. grab me a oil pump. I've got the rest of it, the heads. So I guess that's what I'll start doing. I'll try and chime in here soon on the progress. This just sucks. Sucks really bad. Oh well.